Years ago, an experiment was started that could help protect our shores. But here's the catch. Researchers wouldn't know if this experiment worked until they viewed it years later, underwater, at night, during a full moon. I'm being serious here. NBC's Carrie Sanders has more.
We've joined researchers headed just 3 miles off the coast of Miami to see if a grand experiment worked. Can scientists bring a natural wonder back to life?
We hope, fingers crossed, that you are going to see one of the most, one of the wonders of nature.
And it can only be seen at night during a full moon. As the sun goes down, it could well be a magic moment because we have a full moon. The full moon this night is critical because it sends bright light into the 85-degree seawater. As the moon rays go deeper, the light spectrum is filtered. Red disappears, but blue light penetrates. And at 20 feet down, that blue light signals to these corals that it's time to spawn. 2 years ago, the Pentagon gave researchers at the University of Miami a $7.5 million contract to artificially grow coral that's engineered to resist death due to global climate change's warming waters, then transplant that coral to the ocean floor. With the hope, in this darkness, those corals will now spawn.
Why would the Defense Department be spending money on this?
Well, the Defense Department realizes that corals are tremendously valuable in protecting our coastlines.
So it's a defense project, just not in the concept of how we think of defense.
That's right. In fact, it's reef defense.
Coral reefs are a shoreline defense, absorbing 97% of wave energy, especially important during hurricanes.
We're really vulnerable to hurricanes, to storm surge, erosion, flooding, and corals have that incredible three-dimensional structure that help them to break wave energy as the waves come towards the land.
All of this was theory until it happened. Those millions of what appear to be bubbles are the corals spawning.
It's very romantic.
A romance that began in a lab, now left to nature, doing what nature does best. Carrie Sanders, NBC News, off the coast of Miami.